What is happening now reminds us of the dark Kanu days. We went to a function in Kibra. By the time we were leaving that rally, we have been targeted. You've heard about what happened to my brother Matiangi last night, and Baba, we must really thank you for being there for him. In fact, I want, after we finish, I want you to know my house in case it happens to me also, please. Because I'm told there's a list. Those of us who are ministers in Uhuru's government, who are close to Uhuru, they are not just targeting Uhuru, they are targeting us as well. Maybe you might not know this, Baba, but having been a defense minister, I had about 4 security officers. 3 were with the drone. But the day I was seen in Kibra, the next day, the only remaining police officer assigned to me was also with the drone. There is the attempt to intimidate. You are the voices of the people. If you don't speak out, the dark days are upon us. In fact, what we are seeing is like those of you who are students of European history are like the days of the reign of terror by the Jacobins. So what we have in Kenya today, if you don't come out to fight this illegitimate regime, the reign of terror by the Kenya Kwanza Jacobins is upon us. Please, fight for the people.